In this video, I'm going to show you who shared your post on Facebook. For some reason, you want to have an idea of those who shared your post on Facebook, but you don't know how. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. Then continue to tap on settings. This will land you on an interface like this. Proceed to scroll down until you locate notification and tap on it. Then on this interface, you have a bunch of menus. Make sure to select more activity about you. So this will land you on an interface like this. Continue to allow notification on Facebook toggled on, and make sure all these are also toggled on. These are notifications for when someone posts on your timeline, react to your post, and more. Here's an example. Josephine Williams shared your photo. So anytime someone shared your photo or post on Facebook, you will have an idea about it. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.